Hello artist, I am very excited because today we are going to do some paper weaving and it's so much fun. Alright, so here's what you're going to need. A pencil, some scissors, glue stick, some different colors of paper, and a ruler. Alright, let's get started. So I fold my paper in half and the open edge is up at the top. Then I take a ruler and I line it along the edge and I draw a line there. Now that line is really just so that we know where to stop cutting. We don't want to cut too far. And make sure when you do cut that you're cutting from the folded edge up to that line. All right, otherwise your whole thing falls apart. So we open it up and we're ready to weave. Now I have some strips of paper ready to go. And I start by going over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under. All right, now the next strip is going to be opposite of that. So I start by going under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over, under, over. And you can see it's the opposite. Now the third strip is going to be the same as the first strip, okay? So you always make sure to look at the one you did before and then do the opposite. And you just push those all the way up until you filled up your entire page. All right, we're just about there. Now you'll notice that my strips of paper are a little wider than my orange piece of paper. That's okay, I can trim those up later. But what I need to do now is I need to glue these into place. So I just fold up the little tabs, get out my glue stick, and glue them down. And I want to do this on both sides, so turn it around and do it on the top side now. And once I've done that, I need to flip the paper over and do the same thing on the other side. Okay, now that I've done this one, I'm going to do another one. This time it's the same process, only instead of cutting straight lines, I'm cutting kind of wavy, wobbly lines into the paper. And doing the same thing with the strips of paper, over and under, and filling up the whole page that way. And then being sure to glue down the edges too when I'm done. All right, so once your page is all full, you can do a couple of different things with this. They make a beautiful work of art that you can just hang on the wall or the fridge or whatever, but they also make lovely placemats. So that's what I'm going to use mine for. So you could do these in different colors for different holidays. This looks like a nice little Halloween one. You could do a red and green one for Christmas, or pink and blue for birthdays, whatever. But no matter what you do with your weaving, I hope that you have fun learning to weave and make some great art. Have fun. I would love to see what you create.